Welcome to this tutorial on how to delete your YouTube channel in 2025 PC or laptop guide. In this video, I will walk you through every step clearly and safely. First, you just need to open a web browser and search youtube.com, press enter, and you just need to select the sign in option. Sign in to the account that you want the YouTube channel you want to delete. Once your profile menu open up, select the channel and now click on your profile picture in top right corner of the screen. This will open up a drop down menu. In drop down menu, you just need to select settings and this will take you to your YouTube account settings page. On right side, you can see under your channel, select view advanced settings. You can able to see a option in advanced settings, delete channel. Select the delete channel option. And in here you can able to see two options. You just need to choose I want to permanently delete my content, and you just need to check the confirmation boxes and then select delete my content option, and you just need to confirm it by typing the email address and then select delete my content option, and that's it. Your channel will now be scheduled for deletion. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides.